this crystal clear homemade vegetable stock. Amazing aroma of freshly made vegetable stock with neutral flavor and aroma, so it can be used in both Asian and non-Asian dishes. Here's my take on how to make crystal clear homemade vegetable stock using an Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved ones. If you find my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.